welcome to Healthy Cookings for Kids. I'm Chef Rossa Walker. Everybody likes snacks from time to time, but we can't just eat cookies and cakes and french fries all day long. Sometimes we have to eat healthy snacks. Good news is there's lots of healthy, tasty snacks you can eat. In my show, we are going to show you how to make quick, simple, healthy snacks. In this class, we're going to make healthy, tasty slushies. Today, we're going to make a healthy watermelon slushie. But here's the reminders. To make slushie, you have to always put ice in it. This is really healthy because we're not adding any sugar. We put watermelon and the ice in the blender. I'm gonna ask my mom to turn the blender on. Now it's all done, so I'm gonna pour it in this nice glass. This looks so tasty. Let me try it. It tastes so good.